Welcome to our channel CNC Programming and I Mold. And today we will learn this shell command. For this, first I will select this sketch and select a plane and select the horizontal direction and click OK. Now I will draw a rectangle and I will extrude this rectangle and select this preview, so it will show the preview and increase the height. Now it is 50. Now my solid model is ready. Now I want to shell it, I want to hollow it. So in shell command we have two options. One is remove face, then shell. So first I will use this remove face. Select the face which you want to remove from your solid, and second face is this, and the thickness is 3. Just click on preview. Now we have some more option here, the alternate thickness. Now I want to select this face and I want to define the thickness of this face as 12. So this face, the thickness of this face is 12 and rest all other faces are 3 millimeter thick. Now click on preview. Now if you want to add one more face, you have to just click over the face, just rotate this, and now I will deselect this face using shift command, and alternate face I have selected this as an alternate face. Now click OK. My result will like this, and now I will select this hole command and I want to create a hole over this face. Just click over this face, and the point, you have to define the point, the position of the point. Then this point is the center of the circle. Now just click OK and the hole will create it. If we create this hole after the shell command, my preview will like this. If I will reorder this hole and shell, I want this shell command after the hole, so my result will change and it will come like this. And in the same manner, I want to shell this object, and I have already made the tutorial on this spot car seat in my first channel on CAD/CAM Solution Made. I have already uploaded this tutorial. Now I want to shell this. Just select the shell and I want to remove this face and just define the thickness. No alternate thickness, only thickness as 35. So this will be the and 30 and click OK. So my result will be this. Now we have one more option here in the shell. Just delete this, and again I will click over this shell command, and second option, shell all faces. Now I want to shell, and the thickness we have select one body, and the thickness of all faces is 3. If you want to define an alternate face, so we have to select the face. Suppose I want the alternate thickness of this face as 10. Now click OK, and now I want to check whether it is shell or not. So just go to the view, and in view we have this section, and now I will section this. Now you can see, with the help of this section, you can see the all faces are sectioned. So this is our shell command. Hope you understand this. Thank you for watching.